So you can see this little bird here, which was made on a wheel. So it was a dish that was then sort of folded up and squeezed together, and then it's got a hole in the bottom to dry it out. So I'm just going to have a go at painting that now. So what am I going to do? Pick a relatively soft brush to start with, something like this. Dip it in water. Might take a little bit of white into the palette. Mix it with a little bit of red. Make a pink. I'm going to make it a pink bird on most of his body. So nice pink bird. I've got a bit of yellow for his wings, so I'll leave that in there. That was actually a test with turmeric to see how that worked using a natural food colouring. And I'm just going to leave the grooves as they are. Quite nice to have the clay coming through. So yeah, giving him a nice pink body. A bit more. Goes quite a long way, this paint. Do the other side, do his tail. It's quite relaxing doing this painting bit. When the pieces are dry, they go sort of a much paler colour than when they started. It's quite nice having a bit of a painterly mixing of the colours where it's not completely even. I just mix them in the pots. A little bit of water. I'll finish him off here. It's kind of salmon pink, isn't it? I'll do most of him pink, and then I'll do some yellow to match the wing on the other side. A little bit more. I'll use up the last bits. Yeah. Actually, it might be a bit useful to have him on a piece of cardboard. Move it a bit more easily. So I'm going to give it now some yellow, so I'll pick another brush. I don't have to keep washing my brush. Go in for the yellow. There we are. Give it a bit on this side as well. I might need a couple of coats of the yellow. See. And actually, I might give him a little bit of a yellow addition to his tail. It's quite nice. And maybe a bit of an orange beak. Let's just mix up a bit of orange here. And just touch up his beak a little bit there. Bit of artistic license now, just messing around with the paint. Bit of a glow that comes with the leftover orange over the pink. And I'm thinking also I might need to give it a bit of a darker eye, or maybe poke something into the eye there to get the point, the middle of his eye done. So we might need to use pointy kebab stick like this to do that. So I'm going to dip the point of that in the blue. Just add it in there like that. There we are. And the side as well. There we are. It's got a nice blue eye now. And the other thing that I've got in my little array of paints here is a little bit of gold lustre dust that's actually used on chocolate and cakes. So I might give it a little bit of a dusting over with that to give a bit of a sheen. Then it may not even need any kind of PVA finish, but we'll just see what happens. So if I just dip the brush in dry, so with no wet, and just dust it over there, see, he goes all nice and golden. So there's a bit of an exotic bird for today. So let's just turn him around there. So yeah, certainly brings it up, doesn't it? Brings the clay up from being a very dull grey to something rather fun and beautiful. It could look quite nice on an Easter table with flowers and daffodils and the odd chocolate egg. So hope you've enjoyed having a look at that.